Imagine a world painted in shades of green. Towering trees stand like ancient giants. Sunlight filters through their leaves, casting dancing shadows on the forest floor. Now, picture that world stripped bare. The once vibrant green fades to a dull brown. The air hangs heavy and silent, the symphony of life silenced. Gone are the trees, leaving behind a scar on the landscape. Trees, the silent guardians of our planet, are often taken for granted. They are not just scenery. They are the very lungs of our planet, essential for all life forms, including our own. The time to act is now, before the last tree falls silent. Trees are nature's alchemists. They transform sunlight into energy, releasing oxygen in the process. This process, known as photosynthesis, is fundamental to life on Earth. Through their leaves, trees absorb carbon dioxide and release precious oxygen. They are the very reason we breathe. Trees act as giant carbon sinks, absorbing and storing vast amounts of carbon dioxide. This process helps regulate the Earth's temperature. Trees are, in essence, giant air purifiers, working tirelessly to keep our planet habitable. The delicate balance of our planet's atmosphere is maintained by these silent guardians. Trees play a crucial role in regulating our planet's water cycle. Their deep roots act like sponges, absorbing rainwater and preventing soil erosion. This helps replenish groundwater reserves, ensuring a steady supply of fresh water. Trees release water vapor into the atmosphere, contributing to cloud formation and rainfall. Deforestation disrupts this delicate balance, leading to soil erosion, desertification, and water scarcity. Without trees to anchor the soil, fertile land would be washed away, leading to food shortages. Trees act as natural buffers against extreme weather events, stabilizing the soil and reducing the impact of floods. Their absence would leave us vulnerable to nature's wrath. The consequences of a world without trees extend far beyond our immediate environment. Forests are home to an astonishing array of plant and animal species. Deforestation would lead to mass extinction, wiping out entire ecosystems. The loss of biodiversity would have ripple effects throughout the food chain. Pollinators, vital for the reproduction of countless plant species, would vanish. The disappearance of forests would also impact indigenous communities who rely on them for their livelihoods. The loss of traditional knowledge and practices would be a tragedy. In the end, the consequences of a world without trees would be felt most acutely by humans. Our survival depends on the health of our planet's ecosystems, and trees are the cornerstones of this balance. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the climate that sustains us, all are linked to the presence of trees. Their disappearance would lead to a cascade of interconnected crises: food shortages, water scarcity, extreme weather events, and economic collapse. We are at a precipice, facing a future of our own making. The time for action is now. The picture may seem bleak, but it is not without hope. Despite the challenges we face, there is a growing movement dedicated to restoring our green legacy. We have the power to change course, to rewrite our relationship with the natural world. This means reconnecting with nature, understanding its rhythms, and respecting its boundaries. Restoring our planet's forests is a monumental task, but it is not insurmountable. With determination and innovation, we can overcome the environmental challenges that lie ahead. It requires a collective effort, a global commitment to sustainable practices. Governments, organizations, and individuals must all play their part in this crucial endeavor. We can start by halting deforestation and promoting reforestation on a massive scale. This involves protecting existing forests and planting new trees in areas that have been degraded. Planting trees is one of the most effective ways to combat climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, provide oxygen, and create habitats for countless species. We can support sustainable forestry practices and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. By using renewable energy sources and adopting eco-friendly habits, we can lessen our impact on the environment. Every individual action, no matter how small, can contribute to a larger solution. Simple steps like recycling, conserving water, and reducing waste can make a significant difference. Our fate is inextricably linked to the fate of our planet's forests. Healthy forests mean a healthy planet, which in turn supports human life and well-being. Let us choose a future where the symphony of life continues to resonate. By working together, we can ensure that future generations inherit a world rich in biodiversity and natural beauty.